Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you a detail that you can use in your Audacity to take away the background noise when you're recording your audio. So here's Audacity opened up, and what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and record an audio clip, and then we'll capture background noise, and then we'll try our level best to take it out. So our settings, you can see our settings here. We have a USB clip-on microphone here that we're using to record. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record. And you can see I'm trying to capture that noise fast. Okay. So let's take that as a recording, and we're going to stop it now. If I go back here from the beginning, you're going to hear this stream here is going to be the noise that we're going to try to get rid of. Okay. So if I play it from here, and you can see I'm trying to capture that noise fast. Okay. So you can see this is a stream of noise that we want to record to take out. And I always advise that before you start talking or before you start recording your audio, it's better to first record something fast to capture the noise that is in the room and all that stuff before you really start to record. So let's delete this piece here, and we're going to go ahead and select this part here that is supposed to be the noise. We're going to go to effect, and we're going to go to noise reduction. But first, before we click OK to get the noise reduction out, to remove the noise from the audio, we're going to say get noise profile. So Audacity will compute and get the noise profile. So this is going to be our noise profile. And after that, we're going to go select all the entire audio now. I pressed Ctrl A to select the entire audio, and I'm going to go ahead and say effects, and I'm going to say noise reduction. And now that we have the noise profile already set up, we're just going to say okay. So these presets, please don't play with them. I think the presets that come with Audacity are really good. And if you don't like the result, you can do it again one more time. So I'm going to press OK. And you can see it's taking away the noise. So now if you go and play this audio, you can see this audio right here is almost pretty much clean. So it doesn't have the noise on it. So if you go ahead and play it now, and you can see I'm trying to capture that noise fast. You can see how crisp clean it looks. And it leaves your voice really good. So after you do this, you can go ahead and delete this. You can go ahead and delete that piece because that was just your noise profile. And now your audio starts from here. And you can see I'm trying to capture that noise fast. Okay. So let's take that as a recording, and we're going to stop it now. So that was pretty impressive, and thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with another tutorial. Bye bye for now.